Bruh, I ain't gonna lie, this feels wrong, gang. We might as well just walk side by side, Coco. It's like I'm walking a possessed Goofy.
Maggie, are you trying to steal my man? Maggie!
Benji. Benji. Hey.
Hi, Dexter.
Hi, buddy.
Here.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
What you doing there, Kiki?
Why are you mad at me?
She's a scary driver, isn't she?
He's driving like Zadie.
Excuse me. What